Welcome to another video by MT4gadgets.com. In this video we're going to see what is the MetaTrader 5 Portable Mode. Portable is a very useful feature available in MetaTrader if you want to contain all of your MetaTrader environment in one single folder that you can move and run from different devices, from different storage, or from wherever you want. So there are a few advantages that we will list in a moment. But first, it's important to understand what is the difference between portable mode and standard mode. So with that, let's go and see screen sharing. In this system that you see shared, there is a clean installation of the MT5 platform. It's a very basic installation, simple as default, where MetaTrader has been installed with the downloaded installer and following the default configuration. So if we run MetaTrader in this instance, the big difference is that compared to portable is that in the standard mode you have your MetaTrader platform living in one folder, while all of your folder profiles and files and customizations, they are stored in a different folder, which is in your user profile. So we can see that in this example, where if we open Explorer and we go in the default installation folder, normally you would have in your C drive and in program files your MetaTrader 5 folder in there, with all of the executables and the application files. However, all of your custom files, the personalization, your custom tools, custom indicators, expert advisor, trading bots, and everything, they're sitting in a different folder, which is in your user profile. You can find that folder from the MetaTrader 5 software in File and Open Data Folder, and you can see that at the top here it shows the folder path where the MetaTrader 5 profile is stored, which is in the app data in the user. If we see the full path, it's in the user folder, and then your user account name, and then in the app data, roaming, and so forth, different folders until you get to your individual folder. So what does that mean? That means that anything that is custom is running for a different folder, and it has implications in case you want to port and transfer all of your customization somewhere else. So if we actually see at the benefits of running a portable mode, there are a few. First of all, it's easier to backup, because when you run MetaTrader 5 in portable mode, all of the application files and folders, as well as the customization, they live in the same folder. And we will see that very shortly. Another advantage is that you can transfer or copy or move the full MetaTrader folder just by moving one folder. Another big advantage is that you can have multiple instances. So for example, you can duplicate or create copies or clones of your MetaTrader 5 instance. You create multiple, so you can have multiple instances of your MetaTrader, and you could have different accounts or different customizations in different folders. And you can also run MetaTrader multiple MetaTrader instances at the same time. Another advantage that maybe is not that big of importance, but it's a cleaner install, because you don't need to have installation and folders in your program files and in your user profile, but they're all contained in one separate folder. I think it's more useful to see how it works effectively. So remember, we've got one folder in the program files with the MT5, and then we've got your customization in your app data and the user profile. So if we forget that and we close MT5, now we can create a portable mode. Portable mode, first thing, go to the folder where you are you have installed the MetaTrader 5. So you can go from the shortcut and then go into properties. This is the installation folder, and then you can open the file location. So you have your MT5 there. Go up one step and you've got MT5 there as the installation folder. Have ready another folder where you want to move or to copy MetaTrader 5, and that will be the folder where you will run MT5 from. I have created a separate folder here which is still sitting in the C drive, but in a subfolder called MT4gadgets.com and terminals. And what we are going to do is simply copy the installation folder as is from the program files to the new folder location where you want to run MT5 from. That's pretty simple. We've got a copy of the installation folder, enter the new running folder, and what you have to do is find the executables, and to find the executables it's probably useful to see your extension, file extension. So you can go in the folder options and deselect hide extension for known file types. So you can find the exe file, which is terminal64. Terminal64 is the file that runs your MetaTrader 5. Right click and create a shortcut. So if we show more options and create shortcut in there, you can name the shortcut the name you prefer. In this case, I'll call it just MetaTrader 5 Portable. Right click the shortcut, go into properties. In the target field, locate the folder and the file. Go to the end of the path and type space / portable. That's it. This is all that's needed to create a portable version of your MT5 version. Apply and OK, and now you've got a shortcut that will run the portable version of MetaTrader 5, and let's run it to actually see what the actual difference is. Something you may have noticed is when you run the portable version the first time, there were a few more folders that were created, and they were created in the same folder where you are running the application from. So that means that at the moment MT5 is running in a contained environment, all in the MetaTrader 5 folder, and that's for both your executable files, so all of the application files, as well as your customization, personalization, custom tools. They're all running from these MT5 folder in there. And we can verify that also from MetaTrader. If you go again in File, as we did before in the classic or standard mode, if we open the data folder in here, we can see that now the data folder is not including any of the user profile path, as well as the app data. We can see that now all of the content and the data, including the data folder, they are located in the terminal's MetaTrader 5 folder, which is where we copied the application to. So that was very simple. I think something else that is useful to see is that if we want to create multiple instances of MetaTrader, if we want to create a secondary instance of the software, what we can do is we can create a copy of the full folder in there. So copy paste. Let's name it instance 2 because this is the secondary instance. Something that we need to remember to do is recreate the portable shortcut, and this is because if you copy paste as is, the shortcut will still reference the previous version, which is not what we want. We want to reference the new folder, which is instant 2. So once we copy and paste or we create a clone of the folder, we delete the shortcut and we create a new shortcut from there. Right click again the executable, show options, create shortcut. Then we rename the shortcut as MetaTrader 5 instance number 2. We go in the properties. We verify that the target is pointing to the second instance, and in the target path we again add \portable, and then we apply, and then we OK, and here we go. Secondary instance, we can run it. And if we want to double check what the data folder, we go up again in the file and open data folder. And we can see that now we have located the data folder into the secondary instance. If we wanted to run again the first instance, we can run both instances from here. Portable, this is the instance number 1, and if we open this one, open data folder, this is instance number 1. So as you can see, portable mode is very useful when you want to run MetaTrader 5 from a contained location. Everything is running from one folder that you can backup easily because it's only one folder. You can transfer or create copies of. You can you have a cleaner installation, and these are all very good benefits of using portable mode. And I'm sure that especially if you're going to run multiple accounts at the same time, or if you're going to run different robots or different brokers, this is something that comes very handy in the use. So hopefully you learned something new. Portable mode, remember how to use it. It's just a very simple addition of portable in the target, locate it, and then add \portable to it. Very useful. Hopefully you learned something new. I hope this video was useful to you, and if you haven't already, come check us out at mt4gadgets.com, and I hope to see you soon.